Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to share with you 3 reasons why you need an email list. Now what you will learn today, first of all, you will learn having your own email list is like having a portable ATM machine. Yes, you're correct. You can actually send out email and make money with a list. Like what I mentioned, money in the list. However, there is a process that you need to know what to do before you can turn it into an ATM machine. Why you do not need to depend on paid ad? Because once you have a list, your diehard fan will be your most valuable customer. And do you know that every single person that's on your mailing list is worth $1? Now, contacting customer is relatively easy once you have a list. You simply need to just type them a short message and send out the message that you want to convey to them. You also advertise your brand and your values of your business to them. There's no any other easier way to reach your customer than through emails. Let's now dive into this topic. Now, first of all, I need to let you know that you do not need a big list in order to start making money. The reason is because it all depends on what products or services that you have. And by first providing values to your customer, you can simply send them an email and giving them some tips and tricks to solve their daily issues. So diehard fans are the one that will be purchasing from you over and over again. There's no easier way than to sell to the customer that already purchased something from you before. Now, building a list involves solving problems for your subscriber. Now think about the problems that your subscriber will face or your customer will face. This will help you to position your products or services to better package into a products which they will buy from you readily. And having a list helps to solve the problem of inconsistent income. Yes, you're right. You have heard many entrepreneur complaints, or especially startup company complaints, that they could not have a consistent income when they first started the company. And the reason is because they do not have a list or a group of customers that will buy from them over and over again. Now think about things that your customer that can buy recurringly every month. It can be a product, it can be a subscription. So you just need to package it in such a way that you are actually helping the customer to solve the time of having to purchase the product again, to put in a credit card again. You can charge them and bill them, and they can cancel it anytime. It's more effective and productive than to put a customer into a subscription plan. And best of all, you get to keep a list. If you do spend money on your business. Build a list, a mailing list, and you can advertise to them anytime that you want. And you do not need to 100% depend on paid ads. Because paid ads, there is a certain disadvantage as well, whereby if you violate certain rules, your account will be banned. A lot of Shopify e-commerce business owner told me that there are certain times whereby their account get closed by Facebook for no reason, and they do not entertain any other emails from you or any complaints from you. The best way for you to be sure that something you can control about your business is to have your own email list. Now, it's super easy for you to email for feedbacks, or to email your list and route them to a feedback form or to a Facebook group to participate in certain surveys or certain posts. And as a return, you can give them certain freebies through emails. So this is a very good way, especially now, whereby a lot of people have started to get on to many other mailing lists because they want to be informed. They want to get the latest product, the latest news about your company. So think about the emails that you will receive daily. Which of the emails in the past would make you want to click on the link to visit the website? Just look at the format. So these are the emails that most people will open and that have been tested by the company. You can also automate email sending on a regular basis through the use of an autoresponder. Now I'll cover this in more depth in the subsequent videos. In summary, it's important for you to own your own customer list. This is your golden list whereby you can market to your customer over and over again. Always build a list in any niches that you are in or you're going to start. This will pay you in the long term if you are looking for a consistent income. Your effort in giving value to your customer will be paid off eventually, even if it's not now, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year down the road, because people see you that you are giving values. Now do make sure that when you plan out the email content or the value they're going to deliver to customer is well researched, that you actually know what your customer want. There's no point sending email to customer where they do not see any value at all, and eventually they will unsubscribe from your list even though they need your product, and if they don't buy from you, they are buying from your competitors. So start with your list and keep growing your fans more, and try to be on more social media and direct all of them into your opt-in page, your squeeze page, so that you have a mailing list that you can filter to get your diehard fan. So I hope this video is useful to you. Do like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next video.